Chrysler 300 versus an Elantra N. What the heck does that thing have in it?
It's got a cam in it for sure.
Really?
Yeah, the thing was track.
Look at that. It is a big event. Look at all these people. Look at all this.
Yeah, that was definitely the way I spun though.
Here we go. 5.0 versus RT, baby. There you go. Load up. You got him, you got him, you got him. Aww.
Yeah, it should start there.
Good.
I gotta get this thing dyno tuned though.
What do you got?
14.5. Yeah, he's at
5.
13. So he's not stock, I don't think. 13.7.
Alright. Against
this one right here.
Oh, Beamer Fest.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble.
Turbo, eh?
Has to be. All the top end power, man.
Yeah.
This guy hates his job.
I know. He's been here all day.
Still here, buddy. Still here.
Oh yeah.
Fuck, how bad. Thank you.
Let's see this. Oh, you did 12 seconds. No, 14.7, buddy. Don't worry about the vent. It's only a ZR1, so we're fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
We're not fucked entirely here.
We're not, yeah, we're fine.
Come on, Jesus Ducks. Give us the loving support we need. I feel like she's not paying attention anymore. Here we go. Yeah, the potholes are good. The right lane is worse. You can see it though.
Yeah, it is worse. That's a fucking tank of a pass for the fucking Corvette.
Well, it's a ZR1 and it just did a fucking 10.8.
Like, it was only in front of me by like 5 cars.
Yeah.
It was not bad. I got to 165 there. Holy fuck, that's fucking hot.
Oh yeah, it's toasty in here. My balls got sweat on their balls.
Thank you. 13 seconds. All right.